Oh, no, 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 no.
Check, 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 check.
Oh, no, 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 no. My phone's battery is dying and I have all the maps and directions in my phone. Oh, shit. Arre. Oh, no. Oh, my battery is dead. Now, how will I find my way back to the campsite? Oh, no. I don't know where is my friends. They all left me and went somewhere. Now, I don't know how I find my directions.
Oh, we are the pathfinders song. The servants of God are we. Faithful as we march along in kindness, truth, and purity.
Wait. I think somebody is wandering here and there. Hello, excuse me. Do you need any help?
Yeah.
Check.
Yeah, I lost my way from my campsite and I don't know where to go. My phone battery is dead. Everything, all the map and directions was in that. Now I don't know where is my campsite and where to go. Can you help me?
Yeah, sure. We definitely can help you.
Who are you guys? Are you guys type of a police group or something?
No, we are not any police group or something. We are pathfinders. Do you know anything about pathfinders?
No. What is that?
Okay, so we pathfinders abide with the faith of the Seventh-day Adventist Church, and we train young people to become responsible and to become mature and also follow their faith.
Okay, but how will that help me find my way? Okay, but how will that help me find my way back to the campsite?
The Pathfinder not only teaches us to abide with our faith, it also teaches us some survival skills. No?
Yes, so don't worry. We here will teach you the directions and how to find your way without using any compass or a phone when you're lost in such situations.
Yes, please.
Okay, so for the to help you find your way, we need. Oh wait, do you have a selfie stick?
Yeah.
Okay, that's perfect for this. So what I want you to do is place it on the ground. Extend it and place it on the ground. Okay. Okay, so for this method, we need the help of the sun. So do you see in which direction the shadow is?
Yeah, it's there.
Okay, so I want you to mark that point.
Okay.
Okay, so wait for 15 to 20 minutes, and once the shadow moves, and that's your second point.
Okay. How will this help me tell which way to go? Which direction it is?
Okay, sure. So basically, what do you know about the sun?
That it rises from the east and sets at west.
And going to be your foundation. So the 2 points which you marked, or should I say where the shadow is pointed first, that direction is going to be your east, and opposite to it is going to be the west, and of course north. So you got to work in compass.
Oh, thank you. That's nice.
But what if it's night? So to find the direction at the night, you have to see the moon. Okay, the brighter side of the moon. Just imagine a moon. Okay, the brighter side of the moon where the light is shown, that is your north. Whereas the part where it is dark, that is your south. So if it's a crescent moon, the two horns of a crescent, that roughly tells us that it is directing towards the south.
That's nice.
tell you how to find the way by looking at the stars. And you know what? Our Pathfinder name is Orion, which is also named after the Orion constellation from the star. So first, if you see the sky, just imagine that there is a sky filled with so many stars. You have to find Dipper. I hope you know what is Dipper. So this Dipper consists of 7 stars making a making a rectangle. So the end of the Dipper, there are 2 stars which always directs its pointer towards the Polaris. So how do you find where is the Polaris? Okay, do you know that?
Just as you said, the Big Dipper points towards the Polaris, and I know by my general knowledge that Polaris is the North Star, right?
Yes, Polaris is the North Star. So once you discover the North Star, you know where is East, where is West, and where is South.
Oh, that's nice. What about, is there any more other ways to find directions?
Yes, why not?
Yeah, so my co-pathfinders told about sun, moon, and how to find with all this. And another way is that we learned in Pathfinders that by seeing our surroundings and environment also we can find. And for example, the north-facing trees will have the most crust under the trees. So because the north side will be more moisturized, it'll have most moisturizer there. So the moss will grow more that side. And the south side, it will be warmer and drier than the north side. So the south side will be more warmer and drier, right? So that side the ant hills will, more often they will build that ant hills. And the vegetation will be more and will be nice in the south side because it will be more warmer than the north side. So like this also we can find, and north side the snow will be more, and the south side the snow melts very faster than the north side. So like this also you can find by seeing the surroundings, environment and terrain.
That's nice. That's nice. I didn't know there are so many ways to find directions.
Okay, wait. Before that, I'm sure you might be having a few doubts in your mind about what if the weather is different?
Yeah, that is what I was thinking. What if it's a cloudy day? What if it's a cloudy day and the sun is blocked? Then how will we use the sun to find a direction?
Exactly, and same thing as night. If you can't see the moon and the stars, what would you do? Now, to avoid all that, what you're supposed to do is, you know that you're going for camping, right? You should not only be dependent on your phone because you might not know when the battery dies. So you're supposed to keep a paper map, a torch, and a compass with you all the time when you go out for camping.
Okay. Thank you for helping me finding so many ways to find directions.
Do you know about one more thing? Just in case you have your phone with you and you're confused in your phone too, there is an app that is there, that is Starway, which can also help you, Starwalk, which can also help you to find directions by just pointing. Okay? So by the way, where is your campsite?
I don't know.
It's okay, you'll try to find it. I guess someone's searching.
Deepak, I'm here.
Where are you guys?
Hey, I don't know where is our campsite, man.
I'll find you. I'll follow that way.
Arey yaar.
What to do?
I don't know, man. But don't worry. This group called the Pathfinders have taught me some ways to find directions without our phone, compass and map. So I know that our campsite is in the east, right?
Oh, yeah. Yes, that's it.
Yeah. From where you came, man? You crossed the mountain and came over.
I was searching you, man.
Okay, we know our campsite is in the east, right? Just now he showed me a way of finding the east and west. And we also saw the sun is rising from there. Then Pakka our campsite is there, man.
Oh yes, then we'll start searching about camp.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for helping us find our way. Thank you guys.